Transform your vehicle's performance with Cerma Automatic Ceramic Transmission Treatment. Cerma STM-3R is the ultimate solution to restore your transmission's fast, smooth shifting while providing unmatched protection against sludge and varnish buildup. Our SiC technology forms a micro-ceramic coating on all metal parts within your transmission, ensuring optimal performance. Say goodbye to transmission issues such as slippage, rough shifting, and seal leaks with Cerma STM-3. This treatment is ideal for all types of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorhomes, and commercial vehicles. Not only does it restore performance, but it also extends fluid life by up to 4 times, saving you time and money on costly repairs. Cerma STM-3 is perfect for preventative maintenance, giving you peace of mind knowing your transmission is protected. Our product is environmentally safe, free of solvents and PTFEs, making it a safe and effective choice for your vehicle. Extend the protection to your planetary gears and enjoy smoother, more efficient driving with Cerma Automatic Ceramic Transmission Treatment.